Hi Lincoln Academy. Today we're going to try something a little different. We're in my kitchen and I'm going to try to make some no-bake Play-Doh. I have no idea if this is going to work. I just found it online and I thought it would be fun to try. So this is the simplest recipe I could find. Maybe these are things you would have at home. Flour. I don't know what kind, if it's supposed to be all-purpose, self-rising, but this is what I had at home, so I'm going to try it. Some regular table salt, some vegetable oil, and some water. So those are the things that you would need. I'm going to move them out of the way. All right, I got a clear bowl so we can watch this disaster as it happens. All right, I wrote it out for you over here. So the first thing that we're going to use is the cup of flour. We're going to dump that in the bowl. Half a cup of salt. All right, then we're supposed to pour in the vegetable oil. I went ahead and poured it into this cup. It is 1.5 teaspoons. All right. Then we're gonna add the water, half a cup of water. Although that seems like a lot, but okay. This is what it said to do. Okay, then it says mix it with your hands, but this doesn't look great. Ugh. You guys will probably love this part. Ugh. Okay. So here we go. It looks very soupy. I don't know that this is going to work, but it did say you're gonna have to continue to mix it. Okay, I don't know. It's getting a little better, I guess. Still feeling soupy. All right, it's coming together. I hope you guys are having fun at home and finding something fun to do. My dog has been very entertaining. She's created a lot of mess, wreaked a lot of havoc in our house, but it would be boring without her. Okay, y'all. This is sort of coming together. It still feels a little bit like oobleck. And if I had an assistant in the kitchen, I would add a little more flour. So since I don't, I'm gonna try to do it myself. All right, I did have a spoon handy, so I'm gonna throw some more flour. Oh, you know what? It could be that I used the wrong kind of flour. Who knows? All right, this is, well, it's a little better, not too bad. Another step that you could have done, I didn't do it because I don't have little kids at home anymore and we don't have any food coloring, but you could have added a couple of drops of food coloring to the water. Okay, this is way better. Okay, it's actually getting to be a little bit more like Play-Doh. Not quite, but getting there. Anyway, please make sure you ask for permission before you attempt to do something like this, because when we do go back to school, I don't want the first thing your mom to say to me is, get on to me about the mess you created in the kitchen because you were trying to follow my step-by-step Play-Doh mess. So I'll keep working with this. We'll see if it works. I'm going to throw some flour down on the counter and try to mix it in kind of like you would if you were going to make biscuits or something at home. Oh, it's actually working a little bit better. Okay. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a little better. So maybe that was the secret. Maybe we just needed to add a little more flour. It's probably not 100% there yet, but you can see it's getting better. And it would have been even cuter if I had some food coloring, especially if you're getting ready to dye some Easter eggs. Maybe you've got food coloring at the house, but definitely ask for permission before you touch that. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this little kitchen experiment, and in the end it did sort of work out. If you make Play-Doh, make sure that you put it in some kind of sealed container or a Ziploc bag or something so that it will stay fresh. And you can enjoy this mess for more than just the day. All right, y'all take care. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I'm sure my family wants me to stay out of the kitchen, so if I'm at work, I can't be here. All right, y'all take care. Okay, just a little part two. I wanted you to see that I continued to work with it for just a minute, and it actually is looking a little bit more like Play-Doh. I washed my hands and just came back and picked up all the flour that was on the counter, and we actually have something that looks a little bit like Play-Doh.